We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Gatorade Gx Plastic Bottle for sports in Digi Camo. This 30-ounce refillable squeeze bottle is part of Gatorade's innovative hydration platform designed to fuel athletes with customizable hydration options. It includes a flip-top lid, is BPA-free, and comes with a customizable ID ring to personalize your bottle and represent your team colors. The bottle is made of plastic, weighs just 4.6 ounces, and is recommended for adult sports use. It is reusable and hand-wash only with a round shape designed for easy gripping during physical activity. Users appreciate the Gatorade Gx bottle primarily for its ease of use and personalization. Many reviews highlight how the bottle stands out visually, especially with its Digi Camo design, making it easy to spot at practices and games. The customizable ID ring is a popular feature, allowing athletes to make the bottle their own. Parents have noted that their children love the bottle, taking it to school and sports without issues of leaking, which is a common problem with other bottles at younger ages. The bottle's flip-top lid is convenient for quick hydration during intense activities. Performance-wise, the bottle works well for most users. It is lightweight and easy to squeeze, making it practical for sports like running and football. However, some users have found the plastic to be somewhat fragile. Rough handling can cause leaks, and a few reviews mention that the mouthpiece broke within a couple of months, leading to leaking issues. This suggests that while the bottle is suitable for careful use, it may not withstand very rough treatment. Ice can be used but tends to melt quickly, which is typical for plastic bottles without insulation. Cleaning the bottle is straightforward due to its wide opening, but it must be hand-washed to maintain the bottle's integrity. The absence of dishwasher compatibility is a minor inconvenience, but understandable given the bottle's materials and design. One of the standout features of the Gatorade Gx platform is the integration with Gx formula pods, which allow users to add custom hydration formulas to the water in the bottle. This feature is especially appealing to athletes who want to fuel their performance with electrolytes and nutrients tailored to their needs. The bottle's design includes a pod piercer that makes it easy to use these pods on the go. For those interested in smart hydration tracking, Gatorade offers a Smart Gx bottle variant that connects to a mobile app to monitor hydration levels in real time using LED indicators on the bottle's lid. Although this smart version is more expensive and requires charging, it provides valuable feedback and reminders to stay hydrated, which can be a useful training tool. However, the standard Gx bottle reviewed here focuses on simplicity and durability without the added technology. Overall, the Gatorade Gx Plastic Bottle in Digi Camo is a solid choice for athletes and active individuals who want a reliable, customizable hydration solution. It combines practical design with the option to personalize and fuel hydration with Gx pods. The main drawbacks are its fragility under rough use and the need for hand washing. It is best suited for those who handle their gear with care and appreciate the convenience of a squeeze bottle that stands out visually. If you own this bottle, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase the Gatorade Gx bottle is in the description below. Supporting the channel by using the link helps us bring you more expert reviews like this one.